Ever thought about your home powering AI? NVIDIA, SPAN, and PulteGroup are piloting a fascinating project called XFRA. They're installing mini data centers, essentially compute nodes, on the exterior of residential homes. These XFRA nodes are packed with powerful hardware, including 16 NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs. The clever part? They tap into the roughly 60% of unused electrical capacity already present in homes, managed by SPAN's smart electrical panels. SPAN claims this distributed approach can be 6 times faster and 1/5 the cost to deploy compared to traditional large-scale data centers. Homeowners in the pilot even receive benefits like smart panels and potential utility subsidies. It's a unique way to scale AI compute and utilize existing infrastructure. What a timely innovation!